In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Epic Games. Please wait, it looks like we're having trouble connecting to Epic Games. What you want to do is you want to come here and you want to close down Epic Games completely. So go to Task Manager, Details, press anywhere and press E, then look for Epic Games. If you find anything with Epic Games, you want to end the task, as well as come here and look for Epic Games and then right click and quit. Once you've done that and we made sure that there's no sort of Epic Games opened, then you want to search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then netsh space winsock space reset. Once you've done this, come here and search for network reset. Press reset now and your PC should restart. And after it's restarted, you want to check if it works. If it's still not working, you should find your router inside your house in real life and plug it out of the power for a few minutes and then plug it back in and then restart your PC. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.